Good morning, YouTubers. Good morning, good afternoon rather. This is my first test of my GoPro with a microphone in there, and I thought I'd start off with a very typical South Wales village, very typical mining village up here. This is in the Rhondda Valley, and then we'll go up some nice twisty roads. So I'll give you a little look at very typical housing in this area. Here we go. Checker mirrors. Off we go. So this is my first attempt at commentary whilst riding. I hope you can hear me clearly. I don't know what the wind noise is going to be like. I got no idea. Sounds a little bit windy in the helmet, so I don't know if that's coming through on the microphone. But I did a little test of it in the house before I set off, but this is my first official test on the road. Let me try it with the visor open, see what the sound's like. There we go, we got the visor open now. So I don't know what that's like. Oh, they were going past a really nice calf I popped into a couple times just on the right hand side here. Where is it? Oh, a bit further on. I'm going to put the visor back down. There we go. I don't know what the difference in sound will be like. It'll be interesting to find out. And I think I finally got the angle of this camera right. Oh, this is quite a nice little calf here. Scoops and smiles. Right, so yeah, just dawdling along nicely at 30 miles an hour. So I quite like people to see these sort of areas, because I always talk to people about where I live, and it's not the same unless you actually see it, is it? And sort of trying to explain the housing and what it looks like. So it obviously varies a heck of a lot, but this is very, very, very typical mining community. Well, unfortunately, ex-mining community. Just thousands and thousands of these terraced houses like this. Right, it's much the same for quite a bit longer like this. So I'll switch the camera off, and I hope the microphone's picked all this up nicely. And I'll switch it back on when we get up to the sort of nice twisty mountain bits. Right, we're gonna head up right onto the top of that mountain there, up that lovely little twisty road up there. I have got a very bad habit of singing. Well, I don't know if it's a bad habit, but I'm sure you lot don't want to hear it. So if I get very tempted to sing, perhaps I'll stick a little musical interlude in there, so you don't have to suffer too much. So here goes. It's a beautiful road, this is. We'll give it a little bit of beans, but I won't go crazy because I'm not a racer. I don't mind going a little bit quick, but I respect my ability, and my ability's what it is, so I don't ride beyond my ability. So here goes. Let's give it a little squirt. Beautiful. More wind turbines over there. Lovely sweeping curves on this road. This goes up and up. Nice bit of straight there. Let's give it some beans. Like I say, I don't go crazy. Because at the end of the day I want to come home in one piece. There's a bit of a sharp hairpin here. back on itself again. Absolutely. Highly recommend this Road 21 in this neck of the woods. Oh, I gotta give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber. Gosh, I'll have to look up I'll put a link in to his channel. I know it's Nick, but I'm not sure if there's a bit more to the title than that. I'm sure there is. So he recommended this microphone that I'm using, so hopefully we're getting the benefits of that. And I hope you're not getting too much wind noise either. Oh, I just about bit my tongue there. I nearly started singing. Oh, you're nearly in for a bit of a dell then. I think it'll have to be a new Guess That Tune segment in my YouTube channel. Whoa, here we go. Woohoo! I hope it's picking up the sound of the bike as well. That would be nice. It's a nice little revvy engine on this bike. Gonna be hard on the anchors now. It goes really steep down here. Absolutely stunning views here. And it was quite cloudy and miserable, but the sun's come out now, so it's really nice. I'm gonna try. I don't know if it'll be open now. It's quite late on a Saturday. I'll see if I can get a coffee. But we shall see. We're looking down on the town of Aberdare, but I'll stick a little link in the descriptions for all these roads and locations. It's an awful pink grille on that car, isn't it? Jeepers, what were they thinking? Oh, it's a very sharp bend here. Really twists back on itself. Nice and easy. And let's open her up. Oh, I really hope their audio is coming out okay. Because there's been a lot of trial and error. Another sharp bend, drop the gears down. So I always taught look where you want to go and that's where you'll go. Ooh, lovely cattle grid there. We've come down the other side of the mountain now, so I hope you like that bit of ride, because I love it. I haven't been on the bike for a little while because the weather's been really rubbish as well, so nice to come out on the bike. Oh, this person, typical BMW driver there, whizzing. He did give me a wave, so I'll let him off. Alright, there's a turning here. It's a bit discreet, so I'll try not to miss it. Is this it? No, a bit further. There we go. Right, any guesses on whether the calf is open or not? I really hope so. Absolutely gasping for a drink. Non-alcoholic, of course. Ugh, slow bump. It's a lovely, nice area to walk in here. It's a D.I.Y, I think, yeah, D.I.Y Valley Park or something. So it goes right into where the old pit was. Oh, they're nasty, those slow bumps. They're trying to keep everyone down to 10 miles an hour, so fair enough. Oh, some horses here, so let's take it easy. How's it going? Okay. How's it going? Right. I got lots of cars here, so it's a good sign it could be open. It's looking very open to me. Well, my good friends, I'm going to leave it there for now. It was just a little test of my microphone and helmet setup. See, just see how it works, and there's a calf. So just the usual like and subscribes, trying to find neutral.